Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to teach your child the S sound. My name is Kirsten. I'm a speech language pathologist, and I've worked with hundreds of children who have a hard time saying their speech sounds. And I'm here to help you do the same with your child at home. First, let's talk about when your child should be able to say S. The S sound is a later developing sound. Most children will produce it accurately between ages 3 and 4, but some don't fully master it until they're a bit older. Personally, I'd recommend starting to practice this sound around ages 4 to 5, especially if you're having a difficult time understanding your child. Now, let's go over the most common errors I see with this sound. The first is a frontal lisp. This is when the tongue comes a little too far forward, and then the S sounds more like a TH. So like thun instead of sun. The next is a lateral lisp. This is when air escapes out the sides of the mouth instead of coming straight through the center. It sounds slushy or a little unclear. So for example, sun instead of sun. And the last is what we call stopping. This is a phonological process or a speech sound pattern error. And that's where kids replace the S sound with a T sound or even sometimes a D sound. So for example, sun becomes ton, or in some cases, done. To help your child make a clear S sound, have them place their tongue right behind the top front teeth on that bumpy ridge. See if you can feel that ridge. It's the same place where you make the T sound, t, t. Then have them smile slightly and gently blow air out the center of the mouth. If your child is really struggling with tongue placement, ask them to start by saying T, 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 and then gradually turn it into a snake by blowing the air forward. T, s. I often tell kids this is their snake sound, and we practice going s, just like a snake together. So you could do this too with your child. I've actually created a full set of practice videos designed just for kids to help them learn this sound in a fun, playful way. You'll find the full playlist listed in the show notes, so I hope that really helps you. I recommend just practicing for 5 minutes a day. You can use these YouTube videos or download my printable flashcards, which I've also linked below. Start with simple imitation in consonant vowel shapes, so like C and so, and then move on to words, and then eventually to short sentences. Throughout the day, if you notice your child makes an error on this sound, try to gently correct it in a positive and encouraging way. You can also build in some carryover practice by using the S sound during shared reading times together or a natural conversation. Keep it fun, keep it light, keep it consistent. Really a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. And try not to do it in front of their friends or in a way that would embarrass them, but keep it really positive. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps make speech sound practice at home a little easier. And just let me know if this was helpful to you in the comments section. Bye.